How to install eBay Store app by Mindbulbs in Wix site? To install the eBay Store app by Mindbulbs in your Wix site, you can follow these steps. Go to your Wix site editor and open the Media Manager. Click on Shutterstock on the left side and select Apps. Search for eBay Store by Mindbulbs and click Add to Site. Click Allow and Add to grant the app permission to access your site. A new page called eBay Store will be added to your site menu. You can rename or move it as you wish. Double-click on the eBay Store page to open the app settings panel. Enter your eBay username and click Save. The app will automatically display your eBay products on your site. You can customize the app's appearance, layout, and behavior from the settings panel. You can find more details and tips on how to use the eBay Store app by Mindbulbs. Learn more, how to connect your eBay Store to your Wix website, Mindbulbs website. https://www.mindbulbs.com/post/manage-your-blog-from-your-live-site